Earlier this year, Seattle-based cybersecurity startup Dropzone AI was named to Madrona's most recent IA40 list. Founder and CEO Edward Wu told J.D. Durkin how it's standing out with new solutions. Take a listen.
Yeah, so Dropzone is a Seattle-based cybersecurity startup, and we are leveraging advancements in large language models to build essentially AI agents for cybersecurity teams. And our goal is to force multiply the human cybersecurity analysts and engineers so they can operate as if they have 10 times more pairs of hands, eyes, and brains looking for attacks in the environments.
Edward, what did you feel was missing in the marketplace that you feel Dropzone AI is uniquely positioned to address?
Yeah, great question. So before founding Dropzone, I spent 8 years at Actual Hub Networks, another cybersecurity startup that's looking for attackers using network data. And during my time there, I built Actual Hub's AI, ML, and detection product from scratch. So I had a lot of chance to work with different security teams and noticed how most security teams are already overwhelmed by the number of security alerts that they are receiving in their environments. So it's kind of very similar to a 911 call center when you have so many calls that far exceeds the capacity of dispatchers. That's not going to be very productive. So that's why after seeing how security teams are outnumbered and outgunned by the attackers, and after seeing what Gen AI could do and the cognitive automation capabilities, I decided to start Dropzone to help address this chronic capacity and asymmetry problem.
Where do you see the biggest potential for current use cases of agentic AI specifically in the cybersecurity space? And what does that look like for your team at Dropzone?
Yeah, so within cybersecurity, similar to any type of white-collar job, there are pockets of high quantity of grunt work. And what we see as opportunities is building AI agents to automate those grunt work so security teams can be up-leveled and operate more like generals and special forces and have AI agents to be the foot soldiers.
What are the types of organizations or client base that you've found so far most naturally gravitates towards your product?
Yeah, so we primarily work with enterprises, with large enterprises with security teams, as well as managed security service providers.
That's amazing. What most excites you about where the evolution of the technology is today, Edward?
Yeah, so for me, the biggest thing, obviously, within cybersecurity is I would like to see in the next couple of years, the AI agents really helping to address, again, the capacity and the asymmetry problem. I think all of us have probably cumulatively more than 10 years of free credit card monitoring at this point. Yeah. And every time I receive a new letter in my mailbox saying, hey, you just got breached, here are $2, and 2 more years of free credit card monitoring, I think there's a better way to protect our organizations.
What is one lesson as a founder that you wish you had learned sooner?
Good question. I will say, as a technical founder, the biggest thing I learned is the importance of really sales and marketing. A lot of technical founders, we all initially started off believing if we build a perfect product, customers will come to us. But that's definitely not the case. I think a really successful startup requires being really strong at both product, sales, as well as marketing executions.
Dropzone AI founder and CEO Edward Wu and J.D. Durkin for that interview.